Hey entrepreneurs, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the world of making money online. Ever thought about turning just $100 into $1,000 overnight? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me. Yeah, it sounds like a dream, right? But dreams can become reality with the right strategy and mindset. But what if I told you it's possible? Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a fantasy. Stick around because I'm about to share a trick that could change the game for you. This method has the potential to transform your financial situation. Making money fast isn't easy. It requires effort, research, and sometimes a bit of luck. There's always a catch, a risk, or an obstacle in the way. But don't let that discourage you. Whether it's finding the right opportunity, having the necessary skills, or simply the fear of losing your hard-earned cash, these challenges are part of the journey. It often seems like the odds are stacked against us. But remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced these same hurdles. But what if there was a way to cut through all that noise and actually make a significant profit in a short amount of time? What if you could bypass the usual obstacles? I've discovered a method that can potentially turn $100 into $1,000 overnight. Intrigued? You should be. Let me break it down for you. This method is straightforward but requires attention to detail. The key here is leveraging high-potential, low-risk investments. These are opportunities that offer great returns with minimal risk. I know, it sounds like a buzzword, but stay with me, this is where the magic happens. Specifically, I'm talking about micro-flipping in the world of digital assets. This is a niche but highly lucrative market. Now, micro-flipping involves buying digital assets like domain names, social media handles, or even undervalued websites at a low cost. These assets are the digital equivalent of real estate. The trick is to identify ones with high resale potential. This requires a keen eye and some market research. Think of it as digital real estate. Just like in the physical world, location and demand matter. You buy low, sell high, and the best part? The internet never sleeps, so your market is always active. This means opportunities are always available. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Follow these steps carefully to maximize your chances of success. First, research trending niches and keywords. This will help you identify what's currently in demand. Use tools like Google Trends or SEMrush to see what's hot. These tools provide valuable insights into market trends. Second, hunt for undervalued digital assets related to these trends. Look for assets that are priced lower than their potential value. Platforms like Flippa or Sado are great for this. They offer a wide range of digital assets for sale. Third, negotiate and buy these assets at the lowest possible price. Negotiation skills are crucial here. Finally, list them for sale in the right marketplaces and promote them through relevant online communities or networks. Marketing is key to attracting buyers. The potential here is immense. With the right strategy, you can achieve significant returns. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, you could see your $100 investment multiply tenfold in no time. Imagine the possibilities. Just imagine waking up to see your digital asset sold for a hefty profit. It's a feeling like no other. That's the magic of micro-flipping. It's a dynamic and exciting way to make money online. To recap, the trick to making $1,000 fast with just $100 lies in micro-flipping digital assets. It's a method that combines research, strategy, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit. Research, buy low, and sell high. These are the fundamental steps to follow. It's a simple yet powerful approach to fast financial gain. Anyone can do it with the right mindset and tools. So why not give it a shot? Take the first step and see where it leads you. Try this method and share your results in the comments below. Your success story could inspire others. And hey, if you're hungry for more money-making tips, check out my other videos. There's a wealth of information waiting for you. You never know what might be the next big breakthrough for you. Happy flipping. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep flipping those digital assets for profit.